afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. They do not have a guest, so it is freestyle. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. I have went with the black and white decor and added the gold just to give it a little bit of a punch. Okay, the glasses are from Goodwill. My 4 candle holders are from the Dollar Tree. The candles are from Amazon. And the table runner is actually a scarf. And what I've done is just laid it here as a runner. The 2 large flower balls were from Goodwill. This little flower here was from Joann Fabric, and this vase here was from Goodwill. Now I'll go over and tell you all a little bit about my plate settings here. And I'm gonna go ahead and break it down for you so you can take a look. Okay, my charger plate was from Goodwill. This beautiful dinner plate was from Goodwill. And I mean, it is beautiful. And what I've done, I went in and added the clear dinner plate because I did not want to cover up that beautiful plate. To that, I added the salad plate. On top of the salad plate, I have added the white bowl with the spoon and the black napkin on the side. Also, the little birds here were from actually Dollar Tree. And what I've done, I went in and painted them black. So guys, this is my tablescape. Again, it is a very budget-friendly tablescape. I hope you enjoyed seeing this tablescape, and I also hope I've given you some ideas on doing a tablescape in your outdoor living or indoor living area. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I also want to thank the design family for always coming along with me on Tablescape Tuesday, because as you know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. I want to thank all my new subscribers for coming and joining the design family. You are truly, truly welcome. So I'll go ahead and light the candles, and then I'll come back and show you the remainder. Guys, with the wind blowing, the candles would not stay lit, so I'm sorry, but this is my tablescape for this Tuesday. Again, I will say I hope I've given you some ideas on decorating your table for summer. I will leave the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and all of the participants in Tablescape on Tuesday. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.